all these colors. I don't know what to do. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I am here today to give you all a very special tutorial. Since you know, if you are here and you are familiar with my channel, I don't do many tutorials, but today I am going to do a tutorial for you guys. So right now I am blending in the tips of my nails to my natural nail, but it is not actually my natural nail. I do have a thin layer of clear acrylic on my natural nail. Now I only put this section in because I wanted to tell you guys, for the ones who've seen my last haul, these files are really good. They are so good. I can almost compare them to Tammy Taylor files. That's how good they are. They really are good. I like them a lot. Okay, now for the application, on the thumb, I do take a little bit longer, but after the thumb, it's going to go by fairly quickly because I realized that I did not have to be so precise with the fading and the blending of the colors, because I was actually going to go on top of the nail anyway and decorate the nail. So the main thing is you want to get the colors on there. Okay, you just want to get the colors on there evenly, and you want the colors to pop, and you just don't want them to get muddied with each other, but you still want that nice blend. So, and you don't really need to worry about building the nail up too much with the colors, because you are going to go in with your clear acrylic and cap all the nails. And then when you cap the nails with the clear acrylic, then that's when you can get your thickness that you would like for the nail. But of course, I didn't really think about all of that until after I had finished my thumb. So I'm going to let you guys watch the thumb, and then I'll be back to explain in further detail. Here is the thumb, you guys. It looks really good. It took a little bit longer than what I would like. So now I am going to try a different technique to move this set along a lot faster. So now what I'm going to do is I am basically going to put the orange on all of the nails. Let's just get that color on there. We're going to get that orange on all of the nails. We are going to be focusing more on The cuticle area, we're not really going to be too much worrying about anything else but getting that orange on there and making sure that cuticle area is nice and flush. Now we are going in with this lighter cream color, and we are going to put the color down and blend up into the orange, and then we are going to blend the color down. We can put a little bit more of this cream color on because it is the lightest color, and the next color that we will be going in with will be that darker brown, so it will definitely blend into that cream. So it's okay to go a little bit wider with the cream color, just because that brown is going to blend into that cream some, and it's going to darken that cream color just a little. Now we are on to the brown color, and you want to place that color down on the nail, blend up, and then blend down. And this is how you complete a 3-color ombre on the nail. So you want to just take that brown, you want to put it on there on the nail, tap it, blend up. You want to just take the tip of the brown, take the tip of the wet acrylic, and blend only the tip up onto the cream, and then you want to just blend down. Now I am going to cap all of the nails, and when I cap the nails, this is when I will be adding my structure and my thickness onto the nail. This is so much better and so much faster compared to the way that I did the thumb. On the thumb, I was trying to build up the nail with the colors, and that could actually make the nail more bulky because you're placing the colors almost on top of each other in a way, and that can make the nail more bulky. So you just want to get a pretty good thickness with the colors, but not building the nail with the colors. You're just basically wanting to get the blend with the colors and then building the nail up with the clear acrylic. It is fairly simple to do this. You can do this with any colors that you would like. It's not hard at all. You can pick any 3 colors and do this as you would like. And I would say keep it in the same type of format, with the darkest color on the bottom, the lightest color in the middle, and then the middle color at the top of the nail. As I was doing these nails, I realized that this looks like candy corn. These nails look like candy corn. And although I did not make a video, I actually did reconstruct these nails. I had reshaped them into almond nails. And honestly, if I would have just made these nails almond, I could have kept these nails just like this and had candy corn nails. But the problem with that is I despise candy corn. It is disgusting. I do not like candy corn at all whatsoever. I did do a short on these nails and they were pretty. But honestly, you guys, I only kept those nails on for 2 days. I thought they were pretty, but they just weren't me. You know, they just weren't me. So like I said, I reconstructed the nails. I did take everything off the nails. I reshaped them to almonds. I painted the red Madam Glam gel on the nails, and I am rocking red almonds right now, and I'm loving them. I have been wanting to wear some red nails. I just wanted some plain red nails. Sometimes a girl just wants to wear some red nails, and it doesn't have to be around Valentine's Day. Or Christmas, but I really was wanting some red nails, and I don't think I've ever really even worn red nails within the last 2 years. So I was really wanting to just wear some red nails. So that's what I did. But this set was pretty. But yeah, these colors were just giving candy corn all the way. And for me, I am very picky when it comes to fall nails. Like fall nails are a very thin line. They're either a hit or a miss because first of all, you're dealing with a lot of dark colors, and if you don't orchestrate those colors correctly, it can just look like blah, so it's kind of hard. Like, I was trying to get my husband to help me think of some fall nails, and I was like, babe, when you think of fall, what do you think of? And guess what he said, y'all? Guess what he said? Leaves. So it's like, what else do you do for fall nails? But anyway, I'm going to insert a short video to show you guys what I do have on as of currently right now, because I was not able to make a video on these red nails. But as you can see, here are the red almonds. And if you look under the nail, you can still see the ombre up under the nail. Imagine these colors being on top of the nail in this almond shape. You guys, they look just like candy corn. So if you like candy corn, this would be a cute set that you could do on yourself. You could do a candy corn nail set, you guys, and put some little nail art on. I don't know, like whatever candy corn has on it. I don't know if they have like little spots, or maybe you could do like the little accent with the little line and the dot to, make the candy corn look like it's shining. Candy corn can be either glossy or it can be matte. So yeah, you could go all out with making some candy corn nails. If you like candy corn, look at that. That's candy corn. Candy corn all the way. That's candy corn. But that's all for this set, you guys. I wasn't going to show everything. I basically just put some stickers on top of the nail, and then I just put a little bling. And the nails are gorgeous. They are elegant. Here are how the nails look after I did reconstruct them. And these are what I am wearing now. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.